Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to embark on a flavorful journey through time as we delve into the rich history of one of the world's most beloved culinary delights, the taco. Number 1. Origins and ancient roots. To truly understand the taco, we must first explore its ancient origins. Our journey takes us back to Mesoamerica, where indigenous cultures like the Aztecs and Mayans cultivated corn, a staple crop that would become the foundation of the taco. Corn was not only a dietary staple, but also held immense cultural significance. The Aztecs, for instance, are believed to have made tortillas, the precursor to the taco, as early as 10,000 years ago. These early tortillas were simple flatbreads made from ground corn dough. Number 2. Spanish influence and evolution. Fast forward to the 16th century when Spanish conquistadors arrived in Mesoamerica, forever altering the culinary landscape. The Spanish introduced new ingredients such as beef, pork, and cheese, which would soon find their way into the evolving taco. The fusion of indigenous and Spanish culinary traditions gave rise to new culinary creations, including early versions of the taco. These tacos, known as tacos de minero or miners' tacos, were simple yet satisfying meals enjoyed by laborers in the silver mines of Mexico. Number 3. Regional variations and cultural significance. As Mexico transitioned from colonial rule to independence, the taco continued to evolve, taking on regional characteristics and flavors. From the crispy fish tacos of Baja California to the spicy barbacoa tacos of central Mexico, each region contributed its own unique twist to this beloved dish. But the taco is more than just a delicious meal, it's a cultural icon. In Mexico, tacos are a source of national pride and a symbol of shared heritage. They bring people together, transcending social and economic barriers. Number 4. The taco goes global. In the 20th century, the taco began its journey beyond Mexico's borders, thanks in part to Mexican immigrants who brought their culinary traditions with them to the United States. Tacos quickly gained popularity in American cities, paving the way for the rise of Tex-Mex cuisine. Today, tacos can be found on nearly every corner of the globe, from bustling food trucks in New York City to trendy taquerias in Tokyo. They've become a global phenomenon, beloved by people of all backgrounds. Number 5. The modern taco renaissance. In recent years, we've witnessed a taco renaissance, with chefs around the world putting their own creative spin on this classic dish. From gourmet tacos filled with exotic ingredients to vegan and gluten-free options, the possibilities are endless. But no matter how fancy or elaborate they may become, at its core, the taco remains a humble yet delicious reminder of Mexico's rich culinary heritage. And there you have it, amigos. The fascinating history of the taco, from its ancient roots to its modern-day evolution. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time and that it's inspired you to explore the wonderful world of tacos. Until next time, goodbye.